Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to make a beautiful Lotus Sea Lantern in new Sea Lantern event in Heartopia. First, you need to get the Lotus Sea Lantern recipe. Just tap on the globe icon, this one, and then just tap on the Sea Lantern sentiments, and then just tap on Sea Lantern store, this one, and then just select the recipe of Lotus Sea Lantern. This one, just buy it. It costs 20 stars. Just purchase it. And then after that, just go to your workbench to craft the sea lantern. Tap on craft and then just use Lotus Sea Lantern. And then it will need timber, quality timber, and then the flawless fluorite. So make sure you already all the materials, and when you're done, just adjust the amount of the lantern that you want to make, and then after that just simply tap on craft. And like this, your Lotus Sea Lantern will be ready like this. Now you can release this lantern into the sea during the event, and even you can attach a special wish message to it for that extra magical touch. And okay, that's it. Just enjoy making your Lotus Sea Lanterns and spreading wishes in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!